What's up YouTube? This video right here is me and my buddy Ethan. Been fishing for quite a while, longer than I have, but I decided we're gonna go and hit the creek. This was probably about a year and a half ago, I wanna say, somewhere around there. Got out there as early as we could so we could try to get on a topwater bite. I think we ended up getting like one, maybe two, something like that on topwater. The rest of them came off of a bunch of random stuff, mainly big worms. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and get to the video. Hope y'all enjoy it.
What was that all popping on the water up there?
Either those little bugs or minnows. There's a ton of minnows out whenever we came out. Oh! Oh! Got him! Got him! Bro! Slammed it. No. That scared me. I was not ready for it. He wasn't ready.
Nice little bass.
Yeah, not bad. God, he's hot.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna play it safe. Got two sets of pliers down there. Why wouldn't I use them?
He smacked it.
Yeah. Nailed it. Ain't no 6-pounder like my papa, but you know. Not bad. Topwater bite, man. Good call, Ethan. Heck yeah. Okay, so they will bite topwater here. And it will scare the shit out of you. I honestly didn't think we'd catch anything on topwater. I was like, I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes and damn, dude. I like watching topwater videos. Like, I don't even have to, well, it's a lot better when you do it, but you know, worst case scenario, watching people catch it on topwater, it's always fun. All right, man. What time we got? 7:54. So till 8:30. You have 30 minutes. I'm only gonna throw that big worm. And that's it. Just that worm. Maybe. I'm saying that. I'm gonna try for 30 straight minutes. Just flipping this thing.
We'll try this frog.
Oh, you already got a frog on?
Yeah, on this pole.
Oh, snap. You got the 6 Sense. What the hell is this thing called? 6 Sense Divine Shaky Worm, 9.5 in dark water color. We are only fishing this today because my dad told me I couldn't catch a fish on it. Literally the only reason I'm throwing it today. Otherwise I'd be waiting until I went somewhere else. But Dad showed me up yesterday. Oh dude, that thing got some action to it. That thing looks so good. It is massive though. Stupid massive. We measured it, it is 9.5. It just looks a lot longer, I think, because it's not a curly tail or a ribbon tail. It's just a straight tail worm. I think that's why it looks a lot bigger than it is. No way. No freaking way. Yep. There you go, Pops. Hey, you can go grab the net so I'll make sure I get him in the boat. No freaking way. I don't want him to come off. Dude, he is a fighter. He's going straight down, coming up. Right there.
What?
No. Scoop under him.
Yeah.
There he is, right there. Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Please tell you that is on. I was like, please tell me that's on.
Heck yeah.
Where's my phone?
Right here.
Oh, there you go, Pops. It's not a bad one either.
No.
Bro. That's solid too.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
He was barely hooked in too. Dude. Oh, I'm so happy I just caught one on that. My dad's gonna oh, Lordy. Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. Dude.
That's awesome.
Oh, I'm gonna send him that picture now, so that's the first thing he sees when he gets up.
He likes what he does though, right?
Oh yeah. I could back. Oh, there we go.
Oh, got him.
Yeah.
Need the net?
Oh, it's wrapped around that log. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Probably a 3 coming up. Oh, nope, going back down. Coming up. Nope, going back down.
Oh my goodness. Come on.
I'll wear him out. He's actually decent. Coming up. Going back down. Coming up. Out from under the boat.
Ooh,
That's a nice one.
nice one.
It's a nice one. Please tell me. Okay, like, please tell me I'll turn the GoPro on.
Hell yeah.
That's 3.
Yeah. Nice.
Woo!
Ooh, barely hooked.
That's a good size one. You can get that scale out of that backpack. Right at 3, maybe a little more. I'm gonna say right at 3. He just feels heavier than he looks.
Yeah, you were
3 on the dot.
I'm getting fucking stuck.
3.00. Thank you for playing. Dude, these freaking fish here have some sharp ass teeth. Every single one of them that I've caught out here is just freaking ridiculous sharp teeth. Alright, let's see if I have that Magnum speed worm. If I do, I'll fish with it for a little bit. Oops.
Well, we got a fucking mess.
Yeah. No bet. I'm just gonna throw it all in here and worry about it another day though. There we go. I do have them. Yeah, boy. This is by far my favorite worm.
Really?
The regular speed worm. I've probably caught more fish on the speed worm than I have any other worm combined.
I think I've caught most of my fish on maybe a creature.
Creature bait?
That's like all I only used to throw when I first started bass fishing.
Oh yeah. I used to throw that damn rage bug all the damn time. Oh. He was taking off with it, bro. Again, same.
Moving.
Yeah. He hit it once and I was like, oh, it's a stick, and then he took off. There he is again. You got him that time.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, big one, big one, big one. I think it's another 3 right here. Coming up.
No!
Oh.
he fall off?
No, he's still on.
Oh, I seen the bait. Oh my goodness.
I think it's another 3. He's coming up. No, there's like 2.5. Maybe just a 2.
Good.
Maybe just a 2. He went for it again.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm throwing big worms for the rest of the hour.
I need one.
You want one of these?
Yeah, please. I'm tired of not catching shit.
I can't believe he went for it again, bro.
I seen it move. I seen it go back right off in there.
Oh, man. He went for it once and came back for it again. All right, buddy.
Yeah, I'll take one of those if you don't mind.
Yes, sir. Woo! I cannot believe he went back for it again, bro.
That's crazy. Uh-oh, got it.
Yeah. Get it out?
Yeah.
Holy crap. He came and got it off the freaking top.
I see.
And I don't have my chest cam on. That one's not going to pick that up. I was bringing it up and he came and got it off the top.
I literally seen your bait hit the top of the water. Oh, I heard it.
I let him grab it and take it a little bit because I wanted to make sure. I was like, I think that's a gar, but I wasn't sure.
You caught 4 already.
That little bastard just came literally this far under the water.
It really wanted it.
Freaking insane. Little bitty guy. Release the beast.
Oh, yeah, I took you a picture.
I just log them all on my fish brain. I should be at 300 now.
300?
Should be.
Damn. I've had like 2 bites.
That was a good step.
Yeah, something with it.
Yep, I see your rod tip.
It ain't getting it.
Huh?
It don't got it. It just did it
hit it again. What the hell?
It's got it. It's got it.
You got him?
He's a little bitty. That's why I didn't tell you he was on. Hey, I got one though.
You didn't know it's going. Was that your first cast with that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah, man. I kept seeing a rod tip go dunk, 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 dunk. I'm like, okay, yeah, he's definitely got something in it. Hell yeah.
Little bitty.
Hey, it counts.
Yes, sir.
It counts. Ouch, yeah. There you go. That thing, it kills me how the small ones will sit there and eat that damn big ass worm.
Dude, it literally felt like a perch. It felt like, actually, it really felt like I was dragging over a log.
Yeah.
And then,
dude, I was watching your rod tip. Your rod tip was just going nuts.
I didn't know it was on. I just seen the line start going. Thank God I caught one though.
I know it's so frustrating, the freaking skunk, man. I hate it. It's like the worst freaking feeling in the world. My hook is exposed.
Little bitty one.
You got one?
Yeah, he's little. Probably. Oh no, I thought it was
a bass. I didn't even know you had one.
Me neither.
Oh, oh, oh!
2-minute violation.
Heard that. 2-minute penalty. Sit your ass down, sir. There you go. From no fish to 2 fish in 15 minutes.
Yep.
That'll work. Ah. Oh.
Got one?
Still. Oh no, he's small. He's just fighting. Come on around, buddy. You done fighting? Yeah? We'll flip you up then.
He's decent.
Yeah, he's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Yeet.
Heck yeah.
Dude, these speed worms are...
There's the way
We
to
should
go.
have been fishing with these since this morning. Only a pound. I really wish my damn chest cam was working. Yee-hoo! That dude hit that worm as soon as they hit the water. Alright.
think after this little overhang, we can fire up the motor and cruise down some.
Alrighty.
Because I think this is that area that didn't really have anything to fish.
Yeah.
Good one.
Got him?
Yep.
Little one?
Yeah, mediocre.
Oh yeah, he's decent. Got it?
Yeah.
Hank, you've been hooking them good.
Shit, that one didn't even go all the way through him, but it's in his, god dang,
It's in
it was
that
in
cheek,
there.
like
Yeah,
that hard
right
part.
in the bone. Number 7.
Slaying them. Slay. A little chunky.
Yeah. Good God. That belly.
That is a little fat bass.
Oh man. Fat bass turd.
That was the last catch of the day right there. Had a good time. Love being able to throw bigger baits, bigger worms. In that scenario, something that you don't often get to throw and be able to get good catches. So that was awesome. Thank you, Ethan, for coming out and fishing with me. And if y'all like that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future videos, and I'll catch y'all next time.